Hi again. It's now beginning of October, and that means that the leaves are falling from the trees, and we are getting ready for the winter. It's few degrees of Celsius at daytime, a little bit below zero at night time, so it's already quite cold. And the sun is still shining, so it will rise maybe 7 a.m. and set down at 7 p.m. But sooner or later it will be quite dark here in Northern Hemisphere. And for this week we are focusing on the respiration, and for that purpose we must go first to the other side of the pond. Hi. The reason why we are on this side of pond is that we have the traps here. So during this course we've been several times used as an example Crucian carp, and now we will catch them. And it's a bit slippery and it's a lot of wet around, so it might be that I might get wet. It's almost stuck. So let's have mittens. Okay, it seems that we have plenty of fish here, which I'm going to put in aquatic conditions, as they are not able to breathe outside the water. Where if I would dive there, of course I can't breathe underwater. So the respiration must be a little bit different in aquatic animals and in mammals. And it's not only that, can we take the breath into the lungs or into the gills, but how we can deliver oxygen, how we can deliver carbon dioxide that we are producing in our metabolism to get rid of it. And for that purpose we have different kind of different kind of devices in our circulation. So it's not only respiration, but it's also, of course, the circulation is very important. We have a few large ones here. And the idea why I'm catching this fish is not just that I want to show that we have the fish, but we are using these in the laboratory to test that how much they are using oxygen in the respiration. And what about then if we have we are measuring also that how much they are able to control their energy consume. So, for example, sodium pumping, etc. So that is the reason why we are catching these. And this time there was no frogs. Quite often there are some. And we could actually collect these throughout the year. So they are all the time a little bit moving, although in the textbook everybody says that they are in the bottom of the lake. And the good one over here, this is maybe 10 gram, small fish, very lovely. And even with that, we can work for hours in the laboratory. And that is one of the most important things in environmental physiology or comparative physiology. We are not just working with the mice. We can just catch them. So have a nice week.